If your Microsoft Word window is cluttered by the horizontal scroll bar and you want a cleaner workspace, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to disable the horizontal scroll bar in Word in just a few clicks. This is a simple change, but it can make your document view feel much less distracting and a lot easier to use, especially if you're focused on writing, editing, or formatting. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Word tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look at the top left corner and click on File. This opens the main Backstage menu where Word keeps all of its settings and preferences. From there, go down and click Options. That will open the Word Options window, which is where you can change many of Word's display and editing settings. Inside the Word Options window, look at the menu on the left and click Advanced. This section contains a long list of detailed settings, so don't worry if it looks a little busy at first. Just scroll down carefully until you reach the Display section. In the Display section, you'll see several checkboxes that control how Word looks on your screen. Find the option that says Show Horizontal Scroll Bar. If it is checked, that means the horizontal scroll bar is currently enabled. To disable it, simply uncheck that box. Once you've done that, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. As soon as Word applies the new setting, the horizontal scroll bar should disappear from your document window, and that's it. You've successfully disabled the horizontal scroll bar in Word. This is a great little customization if you want a cleaner layout and a less cluttered editing area. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.